All right, YouTube, so this one right here, you see this on a lot of Z900s. Starting lately, it's been popping up everywhere, but this part goes on the very front of the bike to give it some aerodynamics. It's literally 3 screws or bolts that hold in the back, the 2 in the front. The ones that you're gonna take off, the first one is here, and then the other 2, it's one here, and then the other one is right there, and then you're done. It's that simple. You're gonna cover up all of this. You're gonna cover that. You're gonna cover these cables. All that's kind of pretty much covered up. So let me take off this 4mm, and I think, if I'm not mistaken, that's a 5. So let me knock those out real quick, and I'll show you how it looks once it's on the bike. Usually online, you don't really get a good view of what it looks like on the bike, so this is what it really looks like from all angles. So remember how before I was telling you can hardly, well, you can still see the horn. Never mind. I guess if the bike was down, but you can't really see it from any other angle, which is cool. And the design of this, the way it's shaped, it really forces the air to go up. Oh, you probably didn't see that. The design of this, the way it looks, it really forces the air to go up like this, like the angle. Like if you really look at it, let me see if I can show you this. You see how it's angled down to pull a little more down force in the front end of this bike, because it really needs it, in my opinion. I feel like it's not planted enough. And in this shape here, I like too, because I feel like in here is where the air goes to get to the inside, closer to the intake box. All right, so there's a full view of what it looks like when it's installed on the bike. I went with black, not red, not any other color, only because I thought black would be the closest to what it looks like bone stock. All right, guys, so I thank you for watching this quick little video on the front downforce fairing for the Z900. Hope you guys have a wonderful, awesome day.